Hey guys, I'm Prerna. Thank you for joining in. This video is a part of the summer wedding sari look that I had put up on my channel yesterday. So as promised, here is the makeup and hair tutorial for the look. Very easy and achievable. Plus this look can be worn with any color outfit. Let's begin. I'm starting off with primer. I have an oily skin type and the Angel Veil primer from NYX helps to keep my skin matte all day. I'm rubbing this all over my face, especially around the T-zone where I have large pores, and then patting it like this to press it into the pores. Next, I'm jumping onto foundation and I'm using the Estee Lauder Double Wear. Again, perfect for oily skin types, and given the hot and humid weather these days, this foundation will stay put throughout the day. And let's be honest guys, this is a special event party wear foundation because it is quite thick and full coverage. I personally like the coverage to be sheer and skin-like. So here you see me mixing a pea drop of the foundation with water to dilute it. I'm first applying this with my fingers, starting from the center of the face. And then using this damp Innisfree sponge to blend the foundation. Meanwhile, the foundation settles and dries, I will do my brows. Here I'm using the Milani brow powder in the shade dark brown. This gives my brows that natural finish which I'm all for. This brush comes with the powder, then starting with drawing a line at the bottom and top of the brow line and then filling the rest of the brows. So see guys, the difference a filled brow can make to your face. Next, I'm doing a second layer of the foundation, concentrating it mostly on those areas where I can see my scars. If you guys are fine with the coverage of the first layer, then please skip this step. Now blending. Next, taking the Maybelline pressed powder in the shade 220, I'm setting my foundation mostly in the T-zone area and my smile lines because this is where my foundation starts to crack. With whatever product left on the sponge, I'm dabbing this onto the eyelids to even out the color, and then using the darkest color from the Balm palette, I'm running this with a fluffy brush into the crease to add some color to the lids. Since I'm going with a red lip, I wanted to keep the eyes very simple, especially because I feel a simple eye balances the bright lip for my face. Next, I'm tightlining my upper and lower waterline with the Nykka Kajal. I'm intentionally using a thick pencil as opposed to a thinner and sharper one. Why is what you will see me do next. Now I'm taking a tapered brush and running it very close to the lash line to give a washed out liner effect like this. Smudging the lower lash line as well and adding mascara now. I'm using the L'Oreal False Lash Superstar Mascara, first using its primer end and then the mascara. Cleaning the mascara bit I got on the eyes with my fingers. You can use a makeup wipe as per convenience and liking. Now I'm adding a second layer of mascara and here I'm using the Maybelline Lash Sensational. This again is optional. I like a fuller lash effect, so this combination works for me. Coming on to under eyes. I'm using the LA Girl Concealer in the color medium beige, first to conceal the darkness under my eyes. And then using a bright concealer, this is the Maybelline Age Rewind, and just adding 2 dots for a highlighted effect. Setting this concealer with the Makeup Revolution banana powder and pressing it with the sponge. Now this is the point I do my lower lash line mascara because I'm clumsy and I mess it always. As I said, cleaning the mascara on the nose and removing the excess powder. Next, I'm using this Makeup Revolution eyeshadow to draw some cheekbones. This again is optional. Please skip this step if you don't like it and directly jump onto lipstick, but I like a little sculpted effect, so I'm just drawing faint lines using this eyeshadow. I have a full tutorial on how I use this eyeshadow to contour my face, which I will link in the description box below. Then blending, and now adding blush. This is the Maybelline blush stick. I love this one because it has that perfect creamy texture to give you that natural flushed look. Then again playing the blending game, blending, and now lipstick time. So I've changed my top. Here I'm first outlining my lips with the Miss Clair lip liner. This liner, you guys, is awesome, very creamy, glides like butter on the lips, and guess what? It is just 60 rupees. Then adding this red lipstick by MAC. And now hair time. I'm separating the smaller hair in the front and taking the longer ones in a pony and putting them in a loose bun. I have a full tutorial on how I use this clip. It is linked in the description box. And now taking the left front section and putting it very loosely in my hair with a bobby pin. Doing the same on the other side. Fixing the little small hair flyaways here and there with bobby pins. And now I'm combing front section just a little bit so that it does not fall flat. I like to keep my hair looking a little messy just to give that I didn't try too hard vibe. But this is just a personal preference. If you like a cleaner look, then add a mythic oil or hair setting spray or anything that you feel will give your hair a better look. And here we are ready. Do let me know, guys, what do you think about this look? Give a thumbs up if you would like to see more such makeup tutorials. Subscribe if you haven't. And before I let you all go, I want to thank everyone who took their time out to check out my channel, to leave a message. I'm humbled. I can only hope it gets better. I will see you all very soon. Bye guys, love you.